Hi, I'm Chris. Today I'll be showing you how to install the Quil rail shower. I've laid out what we require for the install here. Before marking up your holes, please note that the soap dish is optional. If you don't want to include the soap dish, just slide the spare trim cover over in its place. If you want to keep it, make sure you get this at the right height because it's not adjustable once installed. First off, let's apply Teflon tape to our lugged elbow and screw on our wall outlet. Please note, you have 140mm adjustment in the bottom pillar. Depending on where your wall outlet is, place a mark where you want the top pillar drill hole to sit. From here, we need to measure and mark our 3 other drill holes required for the install. If installing the soap dish, simply slide it into the slot and place it in the desired position. Position the shower rail on wall adapters. Fit the supplied grub screw to the top pillar and the 2 screws to the lower pillar. Ensure the flow restrictor and rubber washer are already inside the shower hose and screw this end onto the wall outlet and the other end onto the shower handpiece. And we're done. Thanks for watching.